Okay, so we are going to now start with the first section of economics, IG or O levels. And the first section is the basic economic problem. Chapter 1.1 is the nature of economic problem. Okay, so very quickly starting off with the first topic that we have here is finite resources and unlimited wants. What are resources? Yes. What are resources?
रिसोर्सेज और रिसोर्सेज होते हैं वो
What are resources? Natural resources that we think of. जो natural resources होते हैं. Can we say that कि natural resources? The resources, देखो, there is
रिसोर्स
one thing very particular about the resources, and that is that what is the use of that? What is the use of the resource? That is very important. So basically, resources are the factors used in production of goods and services. So these are basically the factors. These are those factors that we will study in chapter number 2 as well, which says factors of production. So we are talking about those factors. So resources are the factors used in production of goods and services. Now, finite or scarce resources. Finite या scarce का क्या मतलब है? What do we mean by finite or scarce?
इनकी थोड़ी होती हैं या एक लिमिटेड अमाउंट होती है उनकी
Yes, limited. Perfect word. Limited is the word that we were looking for. That finite or scarce means the limited resources available for the production of goods and services. Right? Okay, let's just write this first. Finite or scarce resources are basically the resources are in limited supply. This concept of limited supply is also called as scarcity. Got it? Now, what are needs? Needs are the necessities of life, important for human survival. So, it means that needs are necessities of life. Okay. Needs are the necessities of life which are important for human survival. Factors used in production. So every other time, whenever you are writing a definition of a 2 mark, there must be two elements to that. As we have already studied in business, के दो elements होते हैं, दो important points and that you should mention in your definition to get 2 out. Sometimes if you are unable to find the 2 points, so what you can also do is that you can also give an example. जो example दोगे उससे भी you will be able to get 1 mark for giving the example. Now, if we talk about the needs, what could be the examples for needs? Let me know. Anji, examples for the
Yes.
needs.
Need food, shelter,
Very nice.
clothes.
Very good. Very good. Simple examples. Food, shelter, clothes. Very nice. Now, wants. Wants are all the resources which are not necessities, but improves living standard. Again, 2 points. Let me just highlight them. All the resources which are not necessities, but improves living standard. So 2 points are there. The 2 points which are here are these two, right? Now, what could be the example for the wants? I want you to give an example of a want in a food and then in a shelter and then in clothes. Example of a want in a food,
सर कोई भी हो सकती है।
like
ये डिपेंड करता है, अगर कोई झोपड़ी में रहने वाला है तो उसके लिए कोई अच्छा सालन वांट होगी, अगर कोई जगह से बेहतर है तो फिर महंगे बर्गर या स्टेक्स वगैरह होंगे।
exactly, exactly, very good. So let's suppose if I say a Big Mac from McDonald's.
नहीं सर, KFC का वो थोड़ा ज्यादा अच्छा है, माइटी।
KFC Mighty is better than McDonald's Max. अच्छा ठीक है. That वैसे I didn't know because I've had Big Mac but not the Mighty. वो मैं ट्राई करके फिर बताऊंगा. ठीक है. ओके,
सर बिग मैक
रिकमेंडेशन आ
उसके
गई है.
सामने बच्चा है।
अच्छा. नहीं, ये तो बात है. वो डबल डबल फिंगर है ना. इट्स टू हैवी. हाँ ठीक है, सही है. I'll try and I will just work on your recommendation. मैं एक दफा I'll try it और फिर मैं बताऊंगा कि क्या रिव्यूज है. अच्छा जी. अच्छा जी, सेम वे में if we talk about the shelter, what about the shelter?
सर किराए वाला है तो वो कहेगा जी अपना घर होना चाहिए और या बड़ा होना
Exactly.
चाहिए।
हाँ, कोई let's suppose if somebody who is already living in a house but he would probably demand कि यार एक mansion हो in Spain or any place. So that is a want. ठीक है, कोई मेंशन हो जाए बहुत बड़ा सा, कोई स्पेन में या किसी अच्छी सी जगह पे. ओके फाइन. व्हाट अबाउट द क्लोथ्स? क्लोथ्स में व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज अ यू नो considered to be as a want?
सर क्लोथ में कोई अच्छे जगह से कपड़े।
Branded ना. Branded or designers clothes. Branded or designers clothes. Perfect. ठीक है, so these are the examples of wants. अच्छा, now we are coming to the economic problem. What is an economic problem? हाँ जी, पढ़ी होगी आपने, बताएं क्या है?
So unlimited wants and scarce resources, finite resources.
हाँ ठीक है, एक ही बात है, बिल्कुल ठीक, परफेक्ट. So economic problem is basically it states that the scarce resources are not enough to satisfy unlimited wants. Simple. The scarce resources are not enough to satisfy the unlimited wants. Acha, there are two things that we have discussed here. That the resources are scarce and the wants are unlimited. Which means कि if I have to write it in a form of an equation, तो मैं ऐसे लिखूंगा. Scarce resources are less than unlimited ones. Actually, I want to ask you one thing. ये जो wants होती हैं, are they unlimited? Why are they unlimited? Like
सर
wants
जी ये
unlimited होती भी हैं कि नहीं?
होती हैं फिर.
अच्छा, अगर मैं तुम्हें if I give you a piece of paper to write down all your wants, will you need another piece of paper? एक और पेज चाहिए?
नहीं.
अगर if you are able to write all your wants in on one page, then how come they are unlimited? तो ये तो
सर
एक
मुझे तो
पेज
एक
पे.
लाइन भी काफी.
सो इसका देखो, लेक्चर तुम्हारा तो एक दिस इज वन केस ना, वे यू बिलीव के
नहीं
यार
सर,
एक लाइन में भी
सर
नहीं,
पैसे लिखने
बट
हैं बस.
अनलिमिटेड मनी.
जी सर,
मतलब
हर
ये
चीज
कुछ
आ जाएगी.
जीटीए का चीट कोड थोड़ी है.
चीट कोड.
ठीक है. चीट कोड थोड़ी है. तो ये चीट कोड नहीं है भाई. यू हैव टू राइट डाउन योर वांट्स, द थिंग्स, नॉट द मनी. यू कैन नॉट राइट द मनी. आप मुझे दोबारा बताओ. इफ यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द थिंग्स, हाउ मेनी पीस ऑफ पेपर्स यू नीड? हाउ मेनी पेजेस?
सर एक ही चाहिए होगा.
अच्छा, फिर भी एक में, हाँ, मैं भी अगर समझता हूँ कि इफ आई विल बी गिवन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर, सो आई गेस 1 or 2 पेजेस वुड बी इनफ.
जी सर.
तो फिर तो यार हम, मेरी और तुम्हारी तो वांट्स लिमिटेड हो गई ना, तो फिर ये अनलिमिटेड
सर
कैसे?
लोगों पे डिपेंड करता है ना. सर लोगों पे डिपेंड करता है. हमें, हमारे पास कई चीजें हैं, हमें बस थोड़ी सी और चाहिए. वो कुछ
ठीक है.
और लोग हैं उनके पास है ही नहीं, उनको बहुत सारी हमारे से लेवल पे आके फिर उनको और चाहिए.
Okay, I agree with that. But then again, there is another point. Let's suppose if somebody who doesn't have most of the facilities that we already have. अच्छा, मैं उसको अगर पूरी नोटबुक दे दूं लिखने को,
अरे वो तो
कहीं तो
लिखता
रुकेगा ना.
जाएगा.
नहीं, पूरी नोटबुक लिखता जाएगा, एक नोटबुक पूरी लिख लेगा.
सर
चलो,
दुनिया में
प्रोबेबली
जितनी
लिख ली
चीजें हैं.
उसने. लिख ली उसने,
जी
मैंने
सर.
2 नोटबुक्स दे दी, 3 नोटबुक्स दे दी, 10 नोटबुक्स दे दी. देयर मस्ट
सर
बी अ
आपने
फुल
10.
स्टॉप जहां पे उसकी उसकी तो देखो, उसका कहीं ना कहीं फुल स्टॉप जरूर लगेगा उस पॉइंट पे, जिस
सर
पॉइंट पे
अब देखे ना, फुल
एक ही
स्टॉप
टाइम पे
उसका
बैठ के
लग
वो
गया.
सोच रहा हूँ. हम्म.
उसका फुल स्टॉप लग गया। मैं उसने कहा जी मुझे आज S22 चाहिए। उसने लिया, 2 दिन बाद S23 लॉन्च हो गया, वो कहेगा नहीं मुझे वो चाहिए।
एग्जैक्टली exactly. तो यही बात पे मैं तुम्हें लेके आना चाह रहा हूं कि बेटे वॉन्ट्स आर अनलिमिटेड ओनली व्हेन यू सी द वॉन्ट्स इन अ टाइम फ्रेम जो कि चेंज होता जा रहा है। लेट्स सपोज वट एवर यू वॉन्ट टूडे, अगर तूने कहा है ना कि आज लेट्स सपोज सर, फिर मैं अगर चीजों में लिखूं तो 1 पेज वुड बी इनफ फॉर मी। Probably after 5 years, I give you another piece of paper, तो you will have something new to write. मतलब आज अगर
ऐसे ही है
तूने
सर।
अपने पेज पे लेट्स सपोज यू हैव रिटन ओके फाइन सर आई नीड द बेस्ट फोन फॉर टुडे S24 अल्ट्रा, दैट्स इट। आफ्टर 5 years आई विल आस्क यू, तो तुम कह सकते हो ना कि नहीं सर नाउ आई वांट दिस पर्टिकुलर फोन बिकॉज दिस इज गोइंग ऑन राइट नाउ इन दिस ऑन दिस ईयर, आई वांट टू बाय दिस फोन बिकॉज दिस इज द लेटेस्ट व्हिच हैज कम अप इन द मार्केट, ठीक है। तो दिस इज
जी
व्हाट
सर।
आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कि अनलिमिटेड वांट्स एक एक पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम की बात नहीं हो रही है यहाँ पर। यहाँ पर बात हो रही है कि your wants are unlimited when the time changes, obviously. Because somebody who wants something today might want something else a day after, probably, a month after this, a year after this. तो इस वजह से wants are considered to be unlimited. ठीक है, very good. अच्छा, now we come to the next part, and that is to understand the difference between economic goods and free goods. Acha, have any idea? Does it ring any bells about economic or good? कुछ याद आता है कुछ इससे?
कैसे सर?
इकोनॉमिक गुड की डेफिनेशन को याद हो या वैसे इकोनॉमिक गुड का थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया हो?
नहीं सर।
Okay, no problem. Okay, so there are three, you know, there are basically three main या major characteristics of economic goods. Number one, products which, number one, require resources to produce it. So you need some resources to produce the economic good. Then it has an opportunity cost. Probably we'll discuss this when I will write down the example. So you will automatically connect to the points that I have written here. Okay. And the third is needs to be paid to use it. So you have to pay to use it. It requires resources to produce it and has an opportunity cost. ठीक है, कोई एग्जांपल शायद जेन में आती हो इससे रिलेटेड जो इस पे फुलफिल भी कर रही हो ना ये तीन करेक्टरिस्टिक्स। Everything around you, most of the things around you right now in front of you, what can you see?
क्या मतलब सर?
कोई भी चीज, मतलब अभी सामने क्या पड़ा हुआ है, कोई चीज पड़ी हो तुम्हारे सामने, लैपटॉप है,
प्ले स्टेशन वाले सर।
प्ले स्टेशन पड़ी है। अच्छा, so this PlayStation is an economic good. क्यों? क्या इसको रिक्वायर है रिसोर्सेज प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए?
जी सर।
रिसोर्सेज लगेंगे ना तभी तो ये प्रोड्यूस होगी। इसमें चिप लगी हुई है और चीजें लगी हैं, टूल्स हैं, कोई वो छोटे छोटे कोई वो स्क्रूज हैं, ये सारी चीजें। It has an opportunity cost. Let's suppose if in a market there is only one PlayStation 5 left and you bought it, and so can I use it? No, now I cannot use it. उसकी एक opportunity cost है. If somebody has it, so the other person cannot have it, cannot use it. तीसरी बात, needs to be paid to use it. ऐसा है ना कि आपने प्ले स्टेशन जब बाय की थी तो you paid for it, right?
जी सर।
So इस तरह से many things in the room that you see are the economic goods. Like in front of me, there is a laptop. What is wrong with these colors? Okay. So laptop, then a printer, a chair. All these goods require resources to produce. It has an opportunity cost and it needs to be paid to use it. You cannot otherwise use it. Okay, three goods. ये फ्री गुड जो है ये एग्जैक्ट ऑपोजिट है इकोनॉमिक गुड का, राइट. सो इफ आई राइट दैट द प्रोडक्ट which फर्स्ट पॉइंट, इकोनॉमिक गुड को रिसोर्सेज लग रहे थे बनाने में, इसको कोई रिसोर्स नहीं लगा. सो डज नॉट रिक्वायर any resource to produce it. Got it? Secondly, it does not have any opportunity cost.
जी सर।
कि let's suppose, अच्छा अभी मैं एग्जांपल एंड पे बताऊंगा ताकि ये चीजें कनेक्ट कर सको. That is important. Third is that it is free of cost, no need to pay. For example, sunshine. हाँ जी. Does it require any resources, man-made resources to produce it? Sunshine from the sun. कोई रिसोर्सेज
जी
इसको
सर, ये
लगे
फ्री
हैं, कोई
गुड है।
ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज इसको बनाने में कोई ह्यूमन रिसोर्स नहीं लगा ना.
नहीं सर।
Does it have any sort of opportunity cost? Like if you go out of, let's suppose you go into your garden and you are taking the sunlight. So at the same time, if I come out in my garden, in my home, I can also take that sunlight, isn't it?
जी सर।
So your use is not going to reduce my use, right? And third thing is free of cost. Is it free of cost?
जी सर।
Obviously, you are not paying anything to get that sunlight now, so that's why it is considered to be free of cost. Okay. Okay, there was a bit of this was left. What I'm going to do is that I am going to I cannot have a duplicate add page after if I do it. So it's asking me now which size. So okay, fine. I do it with the legal one. Okay. The same page size. Okay, there are one or two things which needs to be added into this. let's say many ideas and innovations, sorry, the inventions are also free goods. Like, for example, but ideas, if you are stealing, so what they can do is that they can, buy the copyrights of that and put up a case against you if you go to steal somebody's idea. But apart from that, हम बिल्कुल बेसिक बात करेंगे यहाँ पे कि let's suppose the new dance moves can be copied freely without reducing ability of others to do same. देखो ना न्यू डांस मूव्स हैं you copied those dance moves freely without reducing the ability, right, and of others to do the same. कोई भी करना चाहे, whoever wants to do it can do that by looking at the video and can basically perfect his or her dance moves. Okay, now there is one very important note at the end of the chapter, and that is a processed water. A processed water for drinking or its use for irrigation. So a process, a processed water for drinking or its use for, the irrigation purpose. So the irrigation of fields is an what type of, good? It is an economic good. ठीक है, a processed water for drinking or its use. Let me just turn this off. Okay. So a processed water for drinking or its use for irrigation of field is an economic good because that is a processed water for which you have done some work and used resources to filter it first, right? So that that can be probably used for drinking. Or the other issue could be of irrigation of fields. So you need water. So that water is provided by probably if it is provided by a company. So they are going to charge the money. So you are basically paying for it, right? And then it obviously it means that it is not because it's an economic good, so it is not free of cost. Second thing is that there is no opportunity cost for it, and third is that there does not require. So यहाँ पे free of cost, so obviously it's not going to be free of cost. Secondly, opportunity cost we have obviously if you use it, the other person cannot, and it requires resources to produce it. Obviously, you have processed it, na. So if you have processed it, it means that you have done some filtration in that water. That is why it is considered to be as processed, or we can say that the resources have been used to produce it. तो इसको हम कहते हैं economic goods. कि processed water था for drinking. जैसे कि let's suppose अभी मैं इसकी एक बड़ी simple सी I'll give you an example which will make it even more easier to understand this. Second point here is the utilizing of drinking water directly from glacier is a free good. Why? Because जो direct water आपने use किया, it does not require any resources to produce it. Directly glacier से आ रहा है natural way. There is no opportunity cost. अगर glacier से आप पी रहे हो तो there might be many other people who can just utilize it. Not a big deal. And third is that is free of cost and economic good is not free of cost. तो वो जो तीन important points हैं वो आपने जरूर you have to mention. In the same way, for the economic good first, that does not require any resources to produce it. There is no opportunity cost and it is free of cost, right? So all of these three tells you the difference between a free good and an economic good. So it means के एक water जो कि आप directly यूटिलाइज कर रहे हैं वहां से लेट्स सपोज किसी ग्लेशियर से इफ यू आर यूटिलाइजिंग फ्रॉम डायरेक्टली फ्रॉम अ ग्लेशियर तो वो ना प्रोसेस्ड है ना कोई और चीज है तो यू आर बेसिकली डायरेक्टली यूटिलाइजिंग इट तो वो आपका फ्री गुड हो गया बट इफ देर इज अ वाटर विच इज बेसिकली प्रोसेस्ड बाय लेट्स सपोज नेस्ले they put it into a bottle they uh, they 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 pack the bottle and they provide it to you for obviously you have to pay for it to buy it so that becomes the economic good उससे पहले तक जब तक वो प्रोसेस नहीं हुआ था बॉटल की फॉर्म में नहीं आया था आपको सेल नहीं किया गया था और डायरेक्टली आप उसको यूज कर रहे थे तो दैट वाज अ फ्री गुड यू अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस यस अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस
जी सर।
ठीक है ना तो देर इज अ वेरी
जी
फाइन
सर।
लाइन डिफाइंड बिटवीन a very clear difference between the economic good and a free good because तीन characteristics हैं और all of these three characteristics are different और ये क्यों इतना important है topic मैंने इतना emphasis इसलिए किया because the MCQs also comes from there that they might give you a situation where they will provide you with the these characteristics and ask you about these characteristics that if all of the three characteristics are there तो मुझे बताएं कि is it an economic good or a free good right got it अच्छा इसको I want अच्छा अभी you want to write it down no there is no point writing it down right now इसको अभी नहीं लिखते हैं ठीक है ना what you can do is that you can
ठीक
write
है
it
सर।
down once your workbook is there ना तो workbook के ऊपर ही start करना फिर वो double writing का there is no point of writing ठीक है अच्छा एक तो I have talked about one of the MCQs which can come regarding the economic and free good then there are additional questions which can come which is the structured questions which can come from this particular chapter but they are going to be linked with opportunity cost क्योंकि अभी तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि सिंपल प्लेन एंड सिंपल है बट वो opportunity cost के साथ लिंक करके they might ask you certain question right अच्छा now we have after the end of topic 1.1 you will have the MCQs are not going to be here that I've already told you once your opportunity cost chapter which is chapter number 3 will be done तो फिर MCQs for the chapter 1 and chapter 3 इकट्ठे आ जाएंगे I have put the heading there as well and this is is the basic economic problem the nature of economic problem structured questions right so these are the structured questions for chapter number 1 very easy I will mark which one you are going to do, and we'll also discuss the paper pattern in coming days as well, so that it will be more easier for you to do these questions as well. So this is it about the topic for today.